Hi guys! Today we fix the TikTok login problem with Facebook. First of all, unlock your phone and simply swipe down from the top of the screen. Here, you just want to quickly check your internet connection because honestly, most login issues happen due to unstable internet. So if your connection looks weak or disconnected, make sure to fix that first. Once your internet is stable, then we can move to the next step smoothly. Now, go back to your home screen and open the App Store. This step is important because sometimes outdated apps cause login problems, especially when connecting with Facebook. So we're just going to make sure everything is updated properly. Don't worry, this will only take a few seconds. Once you're inside the App Store, look at the bottom right side and tap on the search option. Then, tap on the search bar at the top of the screen. This is where we'll start checking our apps one by one, so just follow along carefully. Now in the search bar, type Facebook and search for it. As soon as the app appears, tap on it to open its page. Here, you need to check if there's an update button. If you see a blue update option, go ahead and update it because an outdated Facebook app can cause login errors with TikTok. If the update button is visible, just tap on it and let the app update completely. If it already says open, then that means your app is already up to date, so you're good to go. Once done, simply go back and we'll repeat the same process for TikTok. Now again, tap on the search bar and this time type TikTok. When the app appears, tap on it to open its page. Just like before, we're going to check whether TikTok is updated or not because both apps need to be updated for smooth login. If you see the update option here as well, tap on it and update TikTok. This step is very important because mismatched app versions can cause login failures. Once both apps are updated, in most cases, your issue will already be fixed. But if the issue still isn't resolved, don't worry, there's one last simple fix. Just press and hold your phone's power button and restart your device. This helps refresh everything and honestly, it fixes many hidden bugs. So yeah, that's how you can easily fix the TikTok login problem with Facebook. If this helped you, make sure to try all the steps properly because it works in most cases. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you still have any questions. I'll definitely help you out.